Chasalo Hotel Polo Tower Business Conclave-2025 Panda Khlaijakha Manjaka Hasini Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Montri Shantana Chakmate Industries and Commerce Department Secretary Kiran Gitano Kobite Kubun Usamarok Ashali Panda Pulano Panda Narwai Okra Ngi Manjak Nairokno Rishakando Lamjak Shogina Harzaka Abniagro Jati Kathar Musungai Panda no cheng shawirukha Panda manjak narwai rok Ashali Panda kok sanani thangai hastani Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Shaka notice ni bisingo khobjak state rock no Astaloxmi mong rukha hakotoni Montri Bokrok Narendra Modi hane abno karibu notice no shakangai telangna ni bagai tarbidal nangkok mong rezakha hane Ashalo Tripura hastino tibu nangkok mani tarbidal koklam shawi khana rokha hastani Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha.
First of all, I would like to give you thanks, particularly the investors who have today signed, or yesterday also might have signed the MOU with the government of Tripura to invest in Tripura. The Destination of Tripura Business Conclave 2025 being organized by the state government of Tripura is a significant event in the context of industrial development in the state of Tripura. It is a matter of privilege for me to welcome you all in this program. At length, here my previous speakers have spoken the present situation of Tripura and what government is going to help you out. Everything has been discussed here. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has always regarded this Northeast as Astalaxmi as you know it. We have 8 states in Northeast and given prime importance to its development by declaring Act East Policy. Tripura is a northeastern state of India, bordered by Bangladesh to north, south, west, and the Indian state of Assam, Mizoram to the east. It is the third smallest state in the country and second largest state in the northeastern state in terms of population. Tripura with its unique geography and socio-economic landscape is poised at the crossroads of growth and opportunity. The estimated population of the state is around 41.65 lakh. Tripura is the most peaceful state in the country and in the northeastern states. The state has vast reserves of natural gas resulting in power surplus. Tripura's economy is mostly based on agriculture and related industries continue to be the main drivers of the state economy. Tripura has launched an ambitious vision document called Lakshya 2047. We are one of the better performing states in northeastern region with a number of positive indicator in the crucial sector. The estimated per capita income reached an all-time high about rupees 1,77,723 and was more than twice seen financial year 2012. Tripura's GSDP grew at 8.9%. The state is having second highest GSDP in the northeastern region. The term of SDG index, that is Sustainable Development Goals, Tripura moved from a performance state to front runner, first moving state in 2023-24. We are striving for higher growth to achieve our state, model state, in a time-bound manner. This acceleration of economic growth will require a substantial in the volume of investment in the economy, both domestic and foreign. We will make every effort to promote such investment to climate conducive for investors and entrepreneurs to use the productive capacities and resources of our state. The state government is also adding new dimensions in improving both the basic as well as industrial infrastructure throughout the state. Under the blessings of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, Tripura has been given HIRA model. There is a phenomenal change in length as well as standards of national highway. National highway's total length of about 853 kilometers. Besides, Maharaja Bir Vikram Airport at Agartala has been upgraded, second busiest airport in northeastern region. When the Moitri Setu at Sabrum, South Tripura connectivity starts, approaching to Chittagong port, this will be a gateway of northeastern region as well as Southeast Asia. The special economic zone that is said is already been constructed at Sabrum, and number of investors shown their interest to set up their organization. There are already 3 modern integrated checkpoints, that is ICP in Tripura. There is a rail connectivity already set up from Agartala to Akhaura, that is in Bangladesh. There is enormous scope for setting up industries, especially using industrious resources like rubber, bamboo, agar, natural gas, agro and allied produces, food processing, tea, handicrafts and handloom, tourism, education, etc. The Agar policy of Tripura to promote sustainable cultivation, harvesting and commercialization of agar wood, which is valuable, and aromatic resin producing tree species native to the state. The total number of agarwood trees estimated in the non-forest area is more than 5 million, covering about 2,000 hectares, for which there is no permission required from Forest Department for felling trees. Recently, 3 traditional products from Tripura have got GI tag, and they are Matavari, Pera Prasad, Rignai, Pachra and Risha textiles. So far, rubber matter is concerned, Tripura is the second rubber capital in India after Kerala, which plays a great role in the socio-economic development of the state. Production area of rubber is about 1.10 lakh hectare. Rubber-based industries has been declared as thrust sector for investment with additional subsidy under the state incentive schemes. Rubber park has been established in Bujongnagar Industrial Estate over an area of 60 acre land with technical support from rubber board. Now, another initiative to set up the second rubber park in Shantirbajar, South Tripura, have been
Arshalo Tripura State bamboo industry no shukangi tilangna ni pagai bo nangkokma ni resakha abno karebo hastewo Tripura homestay policy chingi resakha. Arshali Panda Manjaka Hastini Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha, Montri Shantana Chakmate, Industries and Commerce Department Secretary Kiran Gite, State Chief Secretary Zekeshin Hano Kobo Tekubun Ozamarok. Raja Khor Agulinismi Pronomiko Tum Chini Khorang.